Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Egate Utopia 411 Bluetooth speakers. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, this is the box of the Bluetooth speaker and here are some quick specs. The MRP mentioned on the box is 2400, but you can easily get it for below 1000 rupees on Amazon and Flipkart. So now let's quickly do the unboxing. So guys, on opening the box, the first thing you get to see is the speaker itself, a micro USB to USB cable and a user manual. Now let's have a look at the speaker itself. So guys, this is the speaker itself. At the front it has the Egate branding over here, as you can see. At the top you get the bass radiator, and at the bottom you get the control buttons, the mode button, the volume up down button and the play pause button. At the back you get the on off button, the charging port, a USB port, a aux port and also a micro USB card port. So guys, now a music will be played from the Bluetooth speaker to give you a fair idea of how this speaker performs. So guys, in conclusion I would like to say that this is one of the best speakers in this price segment and it has decent audio and bass quality. If you want to buy this one, there will be a link in the description below from where you can buy it. Thanks for watching.